Okay, so the question is, what are the benefits of cloning over growing from seed? Well, so for cloning, the biggest benefit is that you are getting a genetic replica of a strain that you know is good, that you know is already a female. And so every time you take a clone off of that mom, you know that it's going to be the exact same as the clones you got from her before, or the flowers that she put out prior to cloning. So you get that consistency time after time. Another benefit of cloning over growing seed is it's definitely a bit quicker. Clones only take 3 weeks max to root. And also you can have one mom and clone seemingly forever. You can keep taking clones off that mom and keep that strain going. So when you find something you like, you can keep it around forever.